If you really want to be with this avoidant, you need to watch this video because I learned something. I was coaching an amazing woman who come to me and she said, Alex, look, I'm with this man. I know he's an avoidant. I know it's difficult for him to express his feelings. It's difficult for him to tell me what he thinks of the relationship, and I'm not even putting pressure on him. But there is one thing that I don't understand. Why doesn't he want to see me when he has a moment? She called me because last week she had 2 days without her children and she wanted to see him. She really wanted to be with him. And she asked him if he was available, if he was okay, if he wanted to see her. And he didn't respond. He was a little bit hot and cold, kind of like hesitant. And she booked the coaching with me and she told me, Alex, he's an avoidant, but I don't know. I don't know how to understand his emotions, what to do. I feel a little bit disappointed with his behavior and the relationship. Along the coaching, I said something where she told me, Alex, you're the only one that told me that. I never understood this situation before. So what did I say that changed your life? And I hope it will change your life as well, because being with an avoidant is very difficult. So I told her, and I just took some notes, so just make sure I never forget anything. I told her, look, the question is very important because you come to me and you tell me, Alex, what does he lose to see me? I have 2 days in my week without the kids. Those are the 2 days where we can really spend time. Why is he not coming to see me? If he is a real avoidant, not talking about this in the video, but sometimes they are not avoidant. Sometimes they are just narcissist, very toxic, very selfish, okay? But I told her, look, when an avoidant makes a decision, it is not against you. It is for him. And along the coaching session and after with the email that she sent me, she said, Alex, you changed my life because before, when he was saying no to me, I took it personally. And because of our coaching session, I just changed my mindset. I know that if he doesn't come to see me, it's because he needs time for himself. He needs to get rid of all the stress from work. He needs to go to the gym. He needs to watch a movie. He needs to be with himself. And there is a huge difference when someone needs to be with themselves or when someone is against you. I cannot come to see you because I want to do something else. I cannot come to see you because it's not fun enough. If I'm attacking you, if I don't want to see you, it's very different from I'm an avoidant. I need to refill the energy. I need to recharge the battery. And so if you can see, is it for him or is it against you? That would be the best tool to really understand an avoidant, because you will see that a lot of men, especially avoidant, they go to their main cave. They need time for themselves. They need to do their own activities. They need to disconnect. And usually you would feel that it is against you, that is not investing enough in a relationship, that is not involved enough. But the reality is that it's just for him. He needs that. He needs that to be able to provide for the best. He needs that to be able to organize another date or just to be always positive with you as well. So remember, the best way for you is to be a confident woman. It is to be a woman that can always share what she wants to do. Let's say that you want to go for the best ice cream in town. Go for the ice cream. If he wants to come, great. If he doesn't want to come, it's okay. Now, if you tell me he never wants to come, or he will only come to my place, which means having sex, I am like, this is not an avoidant. This is someone that is using you, someone very stupid. But in certain cases, when you're facing an avoidant, they are just different. They are different from you. They are different from me. They are different from the rest of the world. And that's why we love them so much. That's why you're so into this avoidant, because he will provide to you new energy. So I want you to keep in mind that it is possible to change. So I coached this amazing woman from South America Her name is Laura. Laura, she came to me, Alex, I don't understand. He's not giving me attention. He is not in love with me. He doesn't wants to see me all the time. Why? She was so used to be with some men that are very, very investing, but for a couple of weeks and months, and then they disappear. And I told her, Laura, this gentleman is just different. We are talking about a man that is very mature, that knows what he wants in life, that is very independent. And like a lot of avoidant, he separates his life. I have my kids, I have my work, I have my gym, I have my friends, I have my girlfriend, etc. So, if you ask for a little bit too much, you won't get it. You will even push him away. She realized that she was putting a little bit of pressure. She realized that she wanted something too much. So she started to accept the dynamic. She started to less anticipating what she wants or what he can do and starting to go with the flow. That doesn't mean that we let him have all the control. But by experiencing this situation and by making it easier, I swear she was a different woman for the last coaching session. She was much happier. She started to be confident and trusting him. And also she started to be able to do the things that she really wants instead of pleasing him. Because that's the issue. You want to do a lot of things to make sure that he's still there. And that makes you needy. So ladies, when we are talking about an avoidant, they are a different type of breed. Okay, they are different, they are unique, they are very special. That's why we love them, but that's why it's very challenging. So what should we do? It's very easy. You need to click in the description box below. I have attached some gifts. Those are the videos where I talk about avoidant. Okay, you won't find them on YouTube or my website. It's only for my community. I love to build something special with you. So that's why you need to enter your email and access to all my private videos. The link is in the description box below. If you want to talk to me, like Laura, like my previous client that wants to stay anonymous. So my goal is simple. In just one session, I can tell you exactly what's going on, what you should do. And then you can be very independent. Of course, you can email me anytime as well. It's just the purpose of the coaching. The purpose of the coaching is to help you navigate towards the new relationship. So remember that everything is in the description, and you have to hit the like button and subscribe. I want you to join this amazing community of women from all over the world because you deserve to be happy. I will see you very soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.